how to purchase Robux from Play Store balance. So before anything, make sure your Play Store account is pretty much connected to your Roblox. You can do this by making sure you've downloaded Roblox from the Play Store apps, of course. So once you do that, go ahead to your payment methods and make sure you have enough balance. So you should be able to find this at the top right corner in your profiles, then go to payments and subscriptions, then your payment methods. So just go ahead and put in balance inside your Google Pay store balance, of course. Then once you have done that, just go ahead and navigate yourself into your Roblox game over here, then go to the top right corner, which is the Robux section. Then you're gonna have to choose whatever package you want or what subscription you want and whatnot. But once you go ahead and choose the subscription or the package that you want, you should be able to see the Google Play options come out. So just press on the arrow and you'll be able to get the rest of the options. So choose the Google Play balance that you have and confirm. And if you have enough balance, you will be able to buy Robux from your Play Store balance. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.